you guys? Welcome back to the channel. I am glad you are here with me today. We are approaching the end of the week of the new year, and I hope the first week of the new year has been going as planned, guys. Let's go out here and kill it this year. And guys, do yourself a favor if you haven't done so already. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel and like this video, because guys, that really helps the YouTube algorithm for me. So guys, let's go ahead and get this thing pushed up. So I know it's been a while since I've been back in the shop. Had to do some vacationing with the family, friends, just like everybody did over the holidays. So now I am back uploading regularly. So let me go ahead and let's get back to working on the 63. So let's go ahead and get back to working on the 73 Impala, and let's go ahead and I'm gonna give you this little update and what we got planned today and what we're gonna do and knock out. That the dash has been put in and it's all secured, ready to go. Still need to mount the center console. And today we will be doing the door. So as you see, we got to fill in this piece. I'm gonna give some of y'all the sauce, but not the whole sauce, just some of it of getting this complete. So we're gonna get this, and then we got the other door right here that still needs to be cut, chopped, and split. And we're gonna go ahead and just space it out regular, and then we're gonna go ahead and start doing the filling piece to get these. Now this is the plan, what we're gonna do on here today to get this thing finished. The focus is still here, haven't even touched it at all. Still need to finish it. It's misfiring, so need to go ahead and put the computer on it and run it. But so that'll be the plan for the day. So I do have an announcement to make. Over the break, I had a little time to sit and think and figure out what I want to do for 2020 and what's my vision for 2020. And which my vision is not doing work like this on other people's cars. So with that being said, after this car is finished and complete, I will no longer take customer cars. It will only be the cars and motorcycles, which I'm ready to get back to, which I know I got a lot of OG subscribers, guys, just staying tight. I got a couple things in the workings for bringing motorcycles back to the channel. So I will no longer be doing any customer cars at all. It will all be my own personal cars or motorcycles or whatever it is that I'll be working on, which I can get more creative and do more customizable things that I want to do. Luckily, this one is a little bit out the box. I got to do some customizing on it, but repainting cars and stuff like that, I'm really not interested in that anymore. So for the course of 2020, I'm just really honing in on what I want to do in life and what I'm really passionate about. Yes, working on cars is one thing that I'm passionate about. I've been painting cars since I was 15 years old. I had my own shop in Orlando, Florida, back in 2009, 2010, 2011, closed shop there. And that's when I did a lot of customer cars. And so now that I'm at this age that I'm at now, which is 34, so y'all guys do the math, I want to just do my own cars because that's why I get the most joy out, taking them to shows, showing the creativity that I have on a canvas that hasn't been touched. So even though working on customer cars, yes, paid some money, but at the end of the day, I never got to see that outcome that I wanted to see because it wasn't my car, it was another person's car. Yes, it put a smile on their face, but other than that, you know, it's gone after that. So I want something that's gonna stay with me for a lifetime, something that I'm gonna be proud of, something I can drive, something I can show off, whatever the case may be. So with this car officially gonna be done here in the next 2 to 3 months, it's gonna be fully complete. We're doing an engine swap, paint job. The interior is gonna be done in the next 2 weeks. So this car will be complete, and then that's gonna be it for customers' cars. But guys, I want you to know that we're not going anywhere. I will be continually putting up uploaded video. I'm also working on a channel car that I wanna customize and do everything to first. I don't have an actual show car or any car that I got customized at this moment. So right now I'm looking at a Viper, a Hellcat, or a Corvette. One of the three I'm gonna be choosing to bring to a channel, and also bringing a motorcycle onto the channel too, which is gonna be either a R1, a GSX-R 1000, or BMW S1000 RR. So one of those guys, well, one of each I'm bringing to the channel. So be on the lookout for that. It's gonna be coming really soon. So guys, without further ado, let's go ahead and let's get back to it. Bam, there you go. I already got the door panel out. Got it stretched out to 10 inches that I needed to make it longer. So here's a pretty much visual of what it's gonna look like when it's stretched. I'm gonna have some speakers right here that I still need to place in. So that's gonna be afterwards. So now I'm about to get some work on the back side of this and go ahead and get it ready to be laid up. So here's the back side of it. I just got these in here in the brace to keep my 10 inches and to keep it from moving. This right here is just temporary. Got to do a little something, a little secret right here to get this all molded into place back where I wanted it. And then after it dries and everything, and then we're gonna go ahead and throw it on the car and show you how it fits with the full length and everything. So now I already can see it, you little keyboard warriors. Go ahead and get out the keyboard because y'all don't know what you're talking about. If you don't even be in the comments, if you're gonna be like, that's not how you do it. If you haven't done it before, if you ain't Stitched by Slick or some other person that already done it, don't even write no negative comment ever because you don't know nothing. You ain't never done it before. So, now that I addressed the keyboard warriors, guys, go ahead and enjoy your popcorn. And I'm gonna go ahead and get this thing laid up, and then we're gonna see what it looks like after she's finished. All right, now I got this door done. Now I just need to let it sit and dry for a minute. So now we're gonna go ahead and come over here and let's check out the dash and what we're gonna do to it right quick. Oh, and I gotta get these little side pieces that I gotta put on. I totally forgot that I need to put these. I gotta put these little side pieces on right here. So let me show you what I'm talking about. Okay, so now inside the car, as you see, I'm just holding this up here right now, this little side trim piece right here. See, you got this little lip where it comes out to. So now we gotta figure out how we're gonna incorporate that to make sure it comes up to the dash so everything looks nice. So at first, I was gonna do a fill-in piece here and notch this all off. But what I might end up doing is make a panel that comes straight down and leave this exposed, this whole side, since it looks nice, and tie it into here. So basically I'm gonna do it out of fiberglass to have it sweep back to this corner here and let it touch against there. Then we can bolt those two pieces together. Then that'll complete the dash together. Then up here, all I'm gonna do is just simply fiberglass it and then leave. Thinking about cutting this off. Let's see. Put that back up in here. So that little tip, I'm thinking about just cutting it off right here. Just get rid of this completely and just make that all, just make it all a one piece cover for this little side corner piece. I don't know, still thinking about how I'm gonna do it, but of course you see this gap here. This is gonna all get filled in. It's gonna be all one complete piece, still showing the VIN number. It's still gonna be exposed. So I think that's the game plan. So I'm gonna get started on that, and I'm gonna go ahead and wait for this door panel to dry. As soon as it dries, we're gonna go ahead and test fit it to see how it works. Now, if I can get this video 1,000 likes, I will release the sauce of how to do the door panels step by step. So this needs to be done within the next 2 to 3 months. If I can get it up to 1,000 likes, hey, I'm gonna go ahead and release it. I'm gonna show y'all how step by step how to extend door panels. But for what you see now, if you already good in the automotive field and you already know a little know-how, you probably know how to stretch it already. So now the door panel is still, I just checked it, it's still a little wet. So now what I end up doing is adding another bracket here to make this nice and sturdy. So now we're good there. And I did it also on the other side. So now I'm gonna put back up the dash, bolt it back down again. So now that'll make it really sturdy. All right, guys, so unfortunately we are experiencing some bad weather right now. So guys, just like that, this video has ended. And if you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit that like button and smash that subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.
Looking fresh. Fix your collar. Yeah, the back.
Man, bro, this is nice. This black shirt on.
Yeah.
That feels good too.
All you need is a gold chain, and you can look like you'll be like a rapper.
Be 2 chains in here. 2 chains, right? Mm-hmm. You like that? I like that. I like that.